to be worried about in terms of concentration of power?
I think concentration of power has basically been bad in every moment of human history, to varying degrees, of course. But I have a real spirit, and I think this is part of the startup spirit of thinking that the world, the economy, society is the best off when power is very widely distributed and when anybody with a great idea can start a company or make a great art project or, you know, run for office or do whatever they want. Um, and I can totally imagine worlds where AI leads to the greatest distribution of power we've ever seen. And I can also imagine worlds where AI concentrates power to a degree we have never seen. And one company or person or model having more power than everybody or everything else on Earth put together, whatever the sci-fi stories have said, I think that's terrible, and would really, maybe we would get some short-term safety benefit from that, but long-term disaster. I don't think any of us should want to be locked into one AI's or one person's or one company's moral worldview. Um, I think startups have a very important role to play here. Uh, one way that happens is too much economic concentration in one company or one AI model. And I think startups, because of the things we talked about earlier, will be naturally very well suited to make sure that this is widely distributed. But we want to enable as many startups, as many companies, as many people as possible. And that means that we have to, be fairly quite reserved about not imposing our worldview about what we think people should or shouldn't do with AI, or even what we think the good ideas are, while still making sure that we can ensure enough of a safety bar that stuff like the Hugging Face incident is not happening.